Hello friends. So in our last session, we had installed and set up our Oracle Linux 7.9 VM. Now in this session, we'll be installing guest edition to the same VM. We'll open up our VirtualBox. We'll start our VM. Let's talk about why do we need to install guest editions. So in case you want to create any shared folder in your VM from your local machine, or else if you want to copy and paste any text messages from your VM to your local machine or vice versa, you need to install guest edition. Without installing guest editions, you won't be able to perform these activities. So that's why we'll be installing guest editions. So I'll log in with my user. Okay, so I've logged in. Now I'll right click, open the terminal. I'll switch to root user. I'll type in my password. Now, before installing guest edition, we also need to make change to one of the file, which is in etc se linux config is the file name. So we'll use vi editor and then we'll type in this command. We'll press enter. So we need to change one value over here, which is this se linux. So we'll come down using down arrow, then we'll go to right using right arrows, then we'll press escape I. So this will take us to insert mode. We'll press right arrow once again, and then we'll delete this enforcing and make it permissive. So what it will do is SE Linux prints warnings instead of enforcing. So if you have it enforced, then it will enforce all the security policies. We'll make it permissive. So this is done because we don't want to face any issues while installing guest edition, also while installing any of the Oracle products. So once this is done, we click on devices and we click on insert guest edition CD image. Now we'll click on run over here. It will ask us to authenticate with a password. So we'll type in a password and click authenticate. Now this virtual box guest edition installer will start. This will take a couple of minutes. Okay, so now the installation is complete. It says press return to close this window. So I'll press enter. This window is closed. Now I'll open up the terminal again and I'll try to copy this part. So I'll copy it and I'll open up Notepad in my machine, local machine, and I'll press Control B. So say it's not pasting anything over here. Okay. Now I'll try to copy this one and paste it over here. So it's pasting what I had copied from virtual machine. So it's not working, right? So we have installed guest edition. Now we need to reboot our system to make the changes effective. So I just wanted to show what will a guest edition do. So I'll reboot my system now. Okay. Now I log in with my user. So now we'll open up the terminal and we'll try copy pasting again. So I'll copy it from here. I'll copy this text. Copy it. I'll come to my VM and I'll right click and paste. So see, it's working fine. Now I'll copy this text from here and I'll try to paste it over here. It's working fine. So our guest edition is installed and it's working fine now. That's it for this session. Thank you.